A post office is a public facility that provides mail services including accepting of letters and parcels, providing post office boxes, and selling postage stamps, packaging, and stationery. Post offices may also offer additional services that include providing and accepting government forms, processing government services and fees, and postal savings or banking services. Apart from the many offices in different locations within the state, the city of Shillong houses the General Post Office, whose services cover 6 states including Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Despite the services offered by the General Post Office, yet on the afternoon of 20th November 2020, there were complaints from customers about the functioning of the counters within the office. Speaking to Media Plus, some of the customers complained that they had been standing in queue since 10 in the morning and had not been attended to even after having stood in line for over 3 hours. They also informed that the staff of the GPO had not communicated to the customers about the time of closing of the service counters. This had disappointed the individuals who had to leave the post office without their purpose being served.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम
कब से आए मतलब कब से अब आए हैं?
अब कब से खड़ा
हम तो 11:50 से ही खड़ा है यार।
अभी तो 2:30 बज गया ना। क्या हो गया प्रॉब्लम?
क्या हुआ क्या
लाइन लंबा
प्रॉब्लम वही PM 12 बजे आके सीट में बैठा है, सारा 12 बजे आके बैठा है तो काम शुरू किया। अभी बोलता है जो 2 बज गया लेगा नहीं, तो पहले ही बोल देने का काम है जो 2 बजे तक लेगा, इसके बाद आप लोग चला जाओ, यही बात है।
हम लोग को उम्र हो गया है, इतना टाइम से खड़ा है, 10 बजे से खड़ा है, अभी बोलता है नहीं लेगा।
डेली आता है, डेली जाता है, अपना गाड़ी भाड़ा से जाता है।
कोई बात नहीं, डेली ऐसा करता है, डेली ऐसा करता है।
आज का दिन तो इससे तबलीग हुआ, क्या बोलेगा? लेनी पड़ेगा, तो हम लोग को तो लेनी पड़ेगा, या पैसा लेगा। आपको जगह रास्ते में कुछ होगा तो वो पैसा कौन देगा?
The senior postmaster of the General Post Office here in Shillong, Srimati K. Kharshandi, informed that the disturbance in internet lines usually happens from day to day and nothing can be rectified as the server is located in their office in Chennai. However, she agreed to the fact that there has been a miscommunication between the staff of the office and the general public regarding timing of operation of these service counters to cater to the customers. She also stated that this sort of misunderstanding would be immediately looked into and mistakes on the part of her staff would be rectified with immediate effect.